In this video, I'm going to talk about why Meta Ads is the best SMMA service to offer. So if you have an SMMA and you're offering a bunch of different services, we are going to talk about why you should scratch all that and just stick with Meta Ads and a whole system, and you should offer that to your clients or your prospects. So let's begin. We want to talk about, first of all, why offering one service wins all the time. So instead of offering 10 different services through your SMMA, we're going to talk about why offering just one single service through your SMMA works better than anything else. Next, we're going to talk about the 10K per month Meta only model. So we're going to see how by providing Meta ads only, we can scale up to 10K a month through our agency. Next, we're going to talk about what makes Meta the best service to offer. And we are going to look at some insights. We're going to look at some examples, why Meta ads is the best service to offer from your SMMA, how Meta ads scale faster than other services. And then finally, we're going to look at some common myths and mistakes to avoid when you're getting started with your SMMA or when you're getting started providing Meta ad service through your SMMA. Why offering one service wins? Obviously, because it's less complex and you can master it faster. Because if you are trying to provide 3 different services and you're spending 3 hours on each every day, you are giving it 3 hours. So Meta Ads is one of the services you're trying to provide out of 3, and then you're just spending 3 hours. Well, if you just stuck with one service only, you could spend 9 hours learning that, scaling that, mastering that, and that would be faster for you. Clear positioning in the market, more authority. So if you're just doing Meta ads, you just talk about Meta ads on your social media, on your YouTube, everywhere in webinars and stuff, people would find you more trustworthy for Meta ads more than anyone, because this is the only thing you know, and you know this more than anything else. The next thing is no reinventing the wheel. So once you crack the code of how to run Meta ads, especially for one niche, let's say you have an SMMA, you're only providing Meta ads and you're only providing to chiropractors. So you know how to run Meta ads for chiropractors and you know the formula. So the next time you onboard another chiropractor clinic as your client, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. So let's say you have HighLevel, you have a snapshot for chiropractors, you just need to install that on their account. You already have the proven ads which you need to reproduce for that client and just run it. So you're not reinventing the wheel. You're not trying to find out the winning formula for that new client. So it's that easy when you offer one service. Hey everyone, just wanted to take a quick moment to share my school community where if you join, you get to ask me questions about issues you're facing on Go High Level Ads Automation AI. You can also be a part of the weekly coaching sessions where I conduct training on many different topics and we do a Q&A session after that. Besides, you get free access to a lot of my courses that I'm not uploading on YouTube anymore. Some of them you can already see on the screen. Also, there are members only discounts. So if you join, you get 50% off on my courses, my snapshots, my funnels, everything. That's pretty much what I want to share. See you on the other side. Okay, now let's talk about how by providing Meta ads only, you can scale up to 10K USD per month. One package, Meta ads only, and maybe you're giving them a high-level system, just a high-level CRM to use. One package, charge anywhere between $600 to $1,000 per month, depending on how much you're doing for them. So if it's only Meta ads, you can charge $500, $600, and then they'll do the follow-up. No automations, nothing. They just get the lead notifications. If it's slightly more you're doing for them, like you're giving them high level, you're showing them how to use the system, you have AI, you have automation, then you can charge up to $1,000 per month. If you're just charging $1,000 per month, you only need 10 clients to get 10K revenue per month. I'm not talking about churn. I'm not talking about overheads, just 10K revenue per month. Not net, just the revenue, right? If it's 500 or 600, you'll need a few more clients, like, I don't know, like 17 or 18 clients, and then you're there, 10K per month. And I've seen other people do it. I've worked with tons of agency owners, some of which we do white label services for. So we run ads for their clients as a white label partnership. So I've seen people easily go to 10K per month by providing one system only, which is Meta Ads plus high level. Clearly, you don't need hundreds of clients, and the monthly revenue is much more predictable. When you can make sure you have a consistent cash flow, you can invest more, you can hire more, hence you can scale faster. Why Meta Ads is the best service to offer? Well, clearly, it's easier to get leads through Meta Ads than in Google or SEO or any other platform. I'm not saying that Meta ads leads are the best quality leads in the world. Clearly, it's not, because it's social media, it's interruptive marketing. You are interrupting someone's usual browsing activity to show them an ad, hence trying them to convert. It's not the best lead quality you'll find in Meta, but it's not the worst as well. So it's easier to get leads. And if you've got the proper qualification, if you've got the right ad copy, if you've got the right offer, and your targeting is set properly, you will end up getting good leads as well. Faster learning curve for beginners. It's faster to learn for beginners compared to Google Ads, compared to SEO or web design or any other service. Meta ads are relatively easier to learn for beginners, and it has a lower risk as well, obviously, because we have to spend less money than Google. So in Google Ads, if you're running a campaign, especially in the US, you have to spend from like 3,000 a month or 5,000 a month, depending on the ticket size, depending on the type of business you're running ads for. Where in Meta ads, you don't have to spend that much. You can do really well with 1/3 of that spend. So that's why Meta ads is the best service to offer. Easier to learn, easier to scale, and it has lower risk. Just to show you an example, we had someone learn Meta ads a couple of months ago, and he did this campaign, and look at this. We've got 26 website leads, which means these people clicked on the ad, went to the landing page, and filled out a form. So these were 26 legit leads, and the cost per result is £5.38 per lead, and this is the total amount spent. So you can see how easy it is for someone who learned Meta ads a couple of months ago, and this is, by the way, 1 month data only. Okay, now let's talk about how Meta ads scale faster than other services. So when we're talking about scaling, we are talking about SOPs. We are talking about using the same process for all our clients. Let's say we are working on a specific niche. Let's go back to the chiropractor example. So we are just providing Meta ad service to chiropractor clinics only. Once we start running ads, we will obviously see a pattern, what type of ads work, what type of offers work, what type of creatives, whether it's images or videos, work better than the other. So once we have those formula, once we have the proven process of getting the most amount of leads, we can apply it for other clients. So we have 10 clients, and for one of the clients, we found a specific offer that worked really well. What we can do is we can replicate that offer for the other 9 clients we have. And that's why scaling is very easy for Meta ads. And if you hire a media buyer, let's say you can't handle a lot of clients, so you hire someone from Fiverr or Upwork or some other marketplace, you can actually hand over up to at least 10 accounts for one person to manage. That's why it's very easy compared to Google, where they have to spend loads of time on each account, on each campaign. They can't really handle that many accounts at the same time. No long time wait for results. So that's another thing I like about Meta ads. It starts generating, if you do things right, starts generating leads from day 2 or 3, where in Google, you have to give it like 40 or 50 days sometimes, depending on the business, of course. But it's easier and it's faster to get or start getting leads through Meta ads than in Google ads or SEO. And lastly, I want to talk about the common myths and mistakes to avoid. When you're getting started with Meta ads, you'll hear a lot of people say, okay, Meta ads are so much saturated right now. Everyone knows how to do it, and it doesn't give you good results. And some will say it doesn't give you quality leads because the leads are always bad quality, and they'll say a lot of stuff. But trust me, I've been doing it for years. I've been doing it for like 6 years now. Started in like 2019 or early 2020. So it's been almost 6 years I've been doing Meta ads, and I'm still doing it, which means that they're not really dead. They're still working, and they'll keep working until social media exists, until the internet exists. So the process keeps changing, but it will never be like, okay, Meta ads are dead, we're not going to run them anymore. So it's never going to be that case. Overcomplicating funnels too early. I've seen a lot of people do this. This is clearly a mistake, because when you're just getting started running Meta ads for a company, what you do is you keep things simple, and you try to find out the winning ads. You try to find the winning process of running Meta ads and getting the most amount of leads for that business. You don't go ahead and start creating hundreds of automations. You don't involve AI. I've seen many people do it. They put a lot of qualification process. They put a lot of conditioning. They put a lot of AI automation. They mess things up that way, because what you need to do is focus on the ads, focus on the creatives, and keep things a bit manual in the very beginning. And then as time goes by, You start putting more conditioning, you start some qualifications, you start some automations. You do that gradually. And the last thing I want to talk about in terms of making mistakes is chasing too many niches. You don't do that because, like we discussed a few minutes ago, if you are just providing service to one business category, one business niche, what's going to happen is once you find the winning formula to get the most amount of leads, you can just replicate it for other businesses. And it's very easy. Every time, if you are chasing different niches, every time you onboard a client, you have to find the winning formula for them and you have to start over. So you don't do that if you are chasing too many niches. Just stop it today and just follow one niche, and that's it. So with that being said, if you thought this video was helpful, just subscribe. And if you want any services, if you want to discuss anything, there's a link in the description where you can get in touch with me and we will talk more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.